am Leena from class 10 and I am studying in Siddhivinayak Institution. So today's topic is basic proportionality theorem. So first of all, we want to know that what is basic proportionality theorem. So एक इक्वेटोरियल ट्रायंगल का corresponding साइड जब सेम होते हैं उसे बोलते हैं basic proportionality theorem. So let us know about diagram. So first we have to draw triangle A, B, C and the line intersects L. First of all, we have to write given in triangle ABC line L parallel to BC, and we have to prove that this is PQ AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. So first of all, write triangle A, P, Q and P, Q, P. Also and construction. So we have to construct PC and PQ. So in triangle A, B, C, draw PC and P. In triangle A, P, Q and A, P, Q, P. So A, P, Q and P, Q, B हमें ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स लेने हैं. Upon P, Q, B. AB upon PB. This one is first equation. And the triangle PQC equals to AQ equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Triangle APC upon triangle PQB equals to triangle APC upon triangle PQC. Means AP upon PB and AQ upon QC. And proved. So I hope you all understand this concept.